Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. Well, I had a lot of success over at Walgreens. They have a booster that is today only. And I got a $40 basket and got $10 back in Walgreens cash. And yes, I bought some sales items and it worked with. So that's pretty sensational. We're gonna talk about that in a second. We also have a free print. We have some cheapy and freebies over at Rite Aid. And then I went and got a little something at Lowe's and then an Ulta, great little deal we'll talk about. And a quick weather report for you guys. Well, it is a little bit milder here today on Christmas Eve here in Michigan. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. Okay, so let's talk about Walgreens right off the bat. So today only, I believe, this booster is taking place. It is today only. It's a one-day booster in celebration of Christmas Eve, and you can do this, I believe, well, obviously in store because I did it. You can also do a curbside pickup, or I think you can also do it online. So one of the three, whatever your comfort level is. But the first item I want to talk about is a free 8x10. So if you use the code STAR8X10 and order this, have it as a pickup at your store, so you would go and get it, or an in-store pickup, whatever you want to call it. Do not have it shipped to your house, or you'll have to pay $5.99 for it. It's one free 8x10 per store card. So how flippin' cute is this? So a nice last minute Christmas gift, that is for sure. Really quickly before I forget, is if you do a curbside pickup, you can get a double pack of the Yankee candles for $9.99. I know in store it's a lot more expensive, but I didn't get the Yankee candles today, even though I have been looking at them for the last couple of weeks, because I know my store has like just under 30, and I have the sneakiest suspicion when it hits 80 or 90%, it'll be like, you know, I'll probably get those packs for $3 like I have in the past years, because even $9.99 is a bit much for me. So, but if you really need a last minute gift, that's a great, you're getting two beautiful candles for $9.99. And I believe that is a curbside pickup only. It's not in store that price. Okay guys, so this is my basket of goods that I got, and I was trying to get my basket right to $40. That include two of these Gillette razors, so one Venus and one Gillette, so a man and a woman's, and they are $12.99 each. I had a $7 off for this one that came off and a $5 off for this one that came off. I also grabbed a toilet paper, and my store had a huge amount of paper products. It was really something. This guy is $5.99. I couldn't help myself, so I got one of those. And then I got 3 Crest toothpaste. They're $3 each, so for 3 of them, that's $9. And then we have a 5 off of 3. Now I'll let you guys know that digital coupon did not come off, but the manager just credited me $5 of Walgreens cash, which was super cool. So for this entire basket of all these goods, that's a total of $40.97. Let's pretend that 5 off of 3 came off. The 7 for this one did come off, and then the $5 for this one did come off. So the new total for the basket, ooh, it's alive. Okay, stay. The new total for the basket after all the digital coupons would be $23.97. For this booster, you must pay cash for the balance because it is a spend offer, so that's precisely what I did. And then I got back $20 of Walgreens cash. I got back $10 for spending $40 on this. And then the promo for Gillette is when you spend $20 on this, you get back $10, and I spent $25. So boom, there it is. And then I also got back a $3.50 register reward. This $3.50 register reward for the Crest, so that's also quite fantastic. So after everything is calculated, guys, it's like I paid 47 cents for this haul, which is fantastic. You guys know that it was a no-go for me on the Nicorette because that IBOTTA rebate is vanished. I think so many people went and did it over at Walmart the day that those high rebates showed up. She's a gone. And also for the Ferrero Rocher, it was a price earlier in the week and now it's up to $6.99 for one of those smaller boxes. So that was also a no-go for me. If you wanted to do this deal and just get like a really easy one going for you, you know what I would do is to grab 2 of these, $12.99 a pop. So that would be $25.98. And then if you had a 7 and a 5, boom, that comes off. So you'd have to pay $13.97 out of pocket. With your booster loaded, you would get back $5 of Walgreens cash for spending $20, plus your $10 of Walgreens cash for spending $20 on these razor products, making it free plus a $1.03 money maker. Like if you wanted something a little less painless, I would go for these too. But I went for the $40 basket because I'm like, you know what? What's the difference of $6? I'll just grab this and make something happen. And thankfully it worked for me. And as you guys know, those Crest digital coupons are always a pain. So it is what it is. And I also got back 59 cents from Fetch for the purchase of the Cottonelle. So a great little basket and a little Christmas gift to myself. Okay, so now we have a couple other deals. The first one we're going to talk about is Pantene. So these little guys are on clearance. And special shout out, there's a lady by the name of Coupon Sweetie on Instagram. Very nice lady, and she posted this first thing this morning, so that's why I tried it. In my store, I could only find 3 clearance Pantene items. There wasn't very many. So these on clearance, they were like $2 and some change, like $2.63 or something goofy like that. So for 3 of them, that was $7.17. We have a 5 off 3 low 2 card coupon. So after that, you're paying $2.17 out of pocket. What I did, guys, was I just rolled my bonus cash. Like I'm not going to pay for this out of pocket. And then you get back 4 when you buy 3. So it's qualifying with this clearance stuff. So that was a $1.83 money maker for me. Once per store card over at Rite Aid. I did a video yesterday about some freebies, some get healthy items. So the mustard Gatorade was $2.63 with a $2.99 rebate, and the muscle milk was $3.59 with a $2.99 IBOTTA rebate. So I'm basically getting like $5.98 back from IBOTTA. So it basically makes these two like 23 cents for 2, which is fine. You guys know that aisle with like all of the protein bars and all that good stuff? They have a little cooler right there where you can grab one of these, so that's specifically where I found them in the store. Okay guys, now we're going to talk really quickly about HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a food subscription box. I've been with them for about 2 years. I really like it. And especially this week with a million things on the go, it's really nice to get all the ingredients for this delicious meal shipped to my house through UPS. And then I can just assemble it myself. So it's like you just put your brain on autopilot and you can make really nice meals. This is gonna be our Christmas Eve meal. And it really saves me a lot of time because I don't wanna be in a big grocery store looking for stuff right now. I'm just, my nerves are shot with everything going on in the world. If you guys are interested in getting a box of HelloFresh for $20 with the shipping included, check out the link in the notes. It's a $40 coupon code. It would make your box $20. With UPS shipping included. This is for new signups only. And if you just want to try it the one time, you can just try it the one time and then put your account on ice or deactivate it. But this food is really about 10 steps above like Applebee's, and you're making it in the comfort of your house. So for 20 bucks, it's some tremendous savings. So if you're interested, no pressure, but check it out. And these were my meals this week, and this is gonna be our Christmas Eve dinner, this beautiful pasta dish. So I did go over to Lowe's yesterday, and I was just looking, there was some ceramic trees on 50% off clearance, and I wanted to see if my store had it, and it's by this company called Allen Roth, and I found this sizable Christmas tree. Like, look at it compared to some Clorox wipes. So this guy was 50% off, so it was $12.49. Now guys, I had a $25 gift card to Lowe's, and I don't know if you're anything like me, but sometimes I will spend part of a gift card and then just forget about it, or it'll get lost in my wallet, and I'm like, you know, just kind of absent-minded that way. So what I did, there wasn't anything else Christmassy that I really liked. I mean, I wanted this one ceramic tree for myself, and it reflects the light so gorgeously, and it looks very like 60s, which I really like. So got this. I also noticed they had a huge shipment of Clorox wipes. There was no signage like, you know, 2 per family or anything like that. So I asked a staffer, I'm like, hey, can I grab a couple of these? They're like, absolutely. So I grabbed 5 of them, and they were $2.68, and I think that might be cheaper than Meijer. So with 5 of these, and then the Christmas tree on clearance, it was like $25.98. I used a $25 Fetch Rewards gift card, 89 cents plus tax, and then 5 of these, and then this gorgeous Christmas tree that I will enjoy for the next couple of years. Absolutely worth it, and I was shocked to see this many at Lowe's. And then the last thing I did today, and this is a today only deal as well, is over at Ulta. So the Kylie Jenner lip, so it's a lipstick and a liner. So a lipstick, liquid lipstick and a liner. These are really nice lipsticks, and if you know anything about makeup, the Kylie lip products are fantastic, but the eyeshadows are not so great. So these are in a buy one, get one for free. So I got 4 of them. So that's a total of $58. Now there was a percentage off. If you shop at Ulta a lot, you got an email with 20% off, including their prestige line. So $11.60 was shaved off. So my new total was $46.40. I had a Ulta gift card that somebody had gifted me for Christmas. So I didn't even have to pay for this one out of pocket. And the others that I got include Dazzle and Posy K. I just thought they were really cute, and I got these to gift in the future. I just thought this was such a great promotion of a buy one get one free on this product that's almost $30, and it's always a really nice it's a really good quality lip product. So they're basically like $15 each. So if you really like makeup, today would be the day to do it. And if you have a 20% off coupon code, there's some even bigger savings over at Ulta. So if you're interested, I would go and check that out. As always, guys, I'll catch you in the next one, and Merry Christmas Eve and Merry Christmas. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.